In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to improve email deliverability in Kit.com. Deliverability simply means your messages land in the main inbox instead of spam or promotions, and the three pillars are authentication, list quality, and sending behavior. We'll walk through each one so you can build a strong sender reputation and keep it. First, set up email authentication. In Kit.com, look for the settings where you can configure SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. These records tell providers like Gmail and Outlook that your emails are legitimate and authorized to be sent from your domain. Kit will guide you with the exact values to add at your domain host. This is the single most important step. Without it, deliverability will always be weak, no matter how good your content is. Next, send from a custom domain address instead of a free mailbox provider. Using a branded from address tied to your own domain signals professionalism and helps inbox placement. It also keeps your branding consistent across campaigns. If your domain or account is new, warm it up gradually. Start with small batches, around 50 to 200 emails per day, and then increase as you see healthy engagement and low bounces. Avoid blasting thousands on day one. Sudden spikes look risky to filters. Keep your list clean, remove fake addresses, old inactive subscribers, and hard bounces so you're only emailing people who can and want to receive your messages. Inside Kit, use segmentation and inactive filters to identify and exclude contacts who haven't opened in a long time. Improve engagement because inbox providers watch how people interact with your emails. Use clear, honest subject lines, send content that's genuinely valuable, and invite replies when appropriate. Steer clear of spammy phrases, excessive punctuation, and all-caps subjects, which can trip filters. Follow proper sending behavior. Send on a consistent schedule rather than in random bursts. Limit the number of links, and balance text with images so your emails look natural and readable. Segment your audience. Send to engaged subscribers more frequently, communicate with buyers separately, and treat cold leads differently. Better targeting leads to stronger engagement and better inbox placement. Avoid obvious spam triggers. Don't buy lists, don't use misleading subject lines, and don't send too many back-to-back promotional blasts without value in between. Finally, monitor your metrics. Aim for an open rate around 25% or higher, keep bounce rates low, and keep spam complaints near zero. If any metric slips, adjust your targeting, cadence, or content before scaling up. Follow these practices in Kit, and you'll steadily move more emails to the primary inbox where they belong.